Hey everyone, I want to update you on my progress after the first month and a half as a new content creator. One thing I can say is learning how to use the different apps and editing tools has definitely been the biggest challenge so far. I sat down knowing absolutely nothing other than which tools I was going to use to get started. My first short video took me almost 2 weeks to complete and publish as I figured out the apps and the editing. My second one took about 6 hours and the third about 3 hours. I decided to create two channels after getting started. One to document my journey, and the second channel is where I'm putting the shorts content that I've been learning how to create. I've made 17 videos so far, 4 videos for my journey channel and 13 for my content channel. Along with creating the content, there's been a good amount of time understanding how to post properly and how to get my videos to be seen by the right audience. Next, I want to talk about how my shorts content channel is doing after the first 13 videos and how my views and subscribers are going so far. From January 8th to February 28th, I've had just over 25,000 views, which for some may not seem like a lot, but honestly, I can't believe that many people have watched my videos so far. My first two videos didn't do so well and are sitting at 33 and 35 views. My highest views for one video was just over 6,600, with the other 10 sitting between 1,000 and 3,500 each. Along with that number of views, I've gained 99 subscribers, which is a number I'm pretty happy with so far, and I'm really hoping that continues to grow. Next is how viewers engaged with my content. 68% of the viewers stayed to watch and 32% swiped away. Overall, these are results I'm pretty happy with as a beginner. It shows viewers were sticking around to watch, which is really the ultimate goal. Next, I want to get into my journey video stats to understand how talking head results compare to the faceless short content. My first two journey videos were long form, which have not attracted much traffic so far. The first introduction video only had 6 views, and my second journey video has 12 views. Along with those views, I've only had 2 subscribers. So I decided to change things up a little bit and create a short video out of each one of the long videos. And that has definitely gotten things moving along a little better. The first short video had 776 views after 48 hours, and the second short video has 81 views after 15 hours. Along with those views, I've had 29 subscribers for a total of 31. So it looks like shorts might be a way to get viewers' attention and get them to watch the long videos. One thing I will say about my journey so far is that I'm so glad I finally started instead of thinking about it for so long and not doing anything. I came into this with no expectations and no idea if I could actually do it or not. Up to this point, I've been pleasantly surprised how things have went, and to be honest, I really enjoy it and might even be a little addicted. There's definitely a learning curve, but it's something that anyone can do without feeling intimidated or overwhelmed with the right approach. Now that I've used all the apps and editing tools enough to understand the basics, I'm going to start rolling out my how-to videos and show you step by step how to start using them to create your own content. I invite you to follow along so we can continue to grow and learn together. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.